Hey guys, this is Maggie from Rock Paper Copy, and in this video I want to talk to you all about recession, because everybody says the recession is coming next year in 2020. It was supposed to come last year, but obviously, nobody can really control it. But it's all this kind of phase, so it's all this kind of circles in the economy. So it's not guaranteed that it's going to come next year, but it's worth preparing right now that the economy is high and you've got time to prepare. So how can you prepare for a recession if you're running a business? Well, first of all, you have to create this kind of moat offer for your products, for your services, that will make people need your services, need your products, even if they save on spending on other products during the recession. So obviously you have to make your services and products that really enrich and help people. So recession is a time that people don't spend money on excess items, on excess services, on excess products. So basically making either your product, enhancing your product or service that will make people make more money or add value to their lives. So structuring your product or service in a way that will add value to their lives and they will want to buy from you is a great way to protect your business from the recession. Another great way, and it's not only business, it's available for somebody else, is obviously start saving money in order to start investing in recession, because when recession comes, all of those stock prices, all of those share prices, fund prices, and so on will become much lower than they are now. So obviously the price will drop. So if you take a low percentage loan now, this is how many people actually got rich in the last recession. They got low percentage loans right before the recession, like year before, 6 months before, and they start investing during the recession. Obviously, when they buy the stocks and shares when they were lower, those obviously you have to pick the right company. After the recession, those stocks and shares obviously increased in the price, making them a lot of money. And that's how many of those new riches came to life in those last few years. I'm not sure if you notice. If you live in the UK, you notice a lot of ridiculously rich people living in London, and London became very rich in the last few years. And it's not only people from Southeast Asia, from Saudi Arabia, there are people from, and not only from China, Saudi Arabia, there are people from Europe, there are people from UK. So that's how many of them became rich. So use this next recession to accumulate wealth now, to invest, and to reap the rewards few years after the recession ends. So if you're already preparing for recession, if you have already tips, if you got rich during the last recession, please give me tips, because this will be the first recession that I plan on, having some kind of strategy to really use it to my benefit. So if you have experience in getting rich during recession, I would love to hear from you. And thank you so much for your time. If you like these tips, please click like under this video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. And I look forward to hearing from you soon. Bye-bye.